If you're over 45 and you wake up feeling heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable almost every morning, it's not because you ate too much the night before. It's because your digestion no longer turns on properly when you wake up. After 45, stomach acid production drops, gut movement slows, and overnight fermentation increases, which means food from the previous day often sits longer than it should, creating gas, pressure, and that swollen belly feeling before you even eat breakfast. Most people unknowingly make this worse by starting their day with coffee, cold drinks, or food too quickly, which shocks an already sluggish digestive system. The fix is not medication or skipping meals. It's a simple morning ritual that gently wakes up your gut before digestion begins. All you need is 1 glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon and a small pinch of ginger powder or freshly grated ginger, taken on an empty stomach as soon as you wake up. Warm water relaxes the digestive tract and improves gut movement. Lemon gently stimulates stomach acid needed to break down food, and ginger helps release trapped gas while activating digestive enzymes that reduce bloating naturally. This combination also supports liver bile flow, which helps fats digest properly instead of sitting and fermenting in the gut. When done consistently, this ritual signals your digestive system that it's time to work instead of forcing it awake with caffeine or heavy food. Most people over 45 notice less pressure, flatter stomachs, smoother bowel movements, and lighter mornings within just a few days, not because fat magically disappears, but because digestion finally becomes efficient again. The key is timing and consistency. Drink it slowly, wait 15 minutes before eating, and avoid cold drinks early in the morning. This isn't a detox or a cleanse, it's simply restoring how digestion is meant to function as we age. And if you want to take this further, I've shared a list of gut-friendly morning habits and ingredients in the description that are especially helpful for people over 45 and easy to follow daily.